Welcome back. This is Grandma Ray Don't Play, and you know I'm Rachel. So today I want to let you see something. Check it out, check it out. The One Up Athletics, that's One Up Athletics with the S on the end. The workout shirts are here. So here you go. This is the front. And on the back, it says, One Up Yourself. You like that slogan? I love it, I love it. So, just in case you didn't remember when we introduced the concept of the new business, which is One Up Athletics, they basically will train you how to get in shape. They'll do a write-up plan, like a workout plan weekly, and along with diets. And the instructor is Darius and Kenny. They are gonna get you in shape. And the website is oneupathletics.com. That's oneupathletics.com. So we have these in small, medium, and large, both in men and in women's sizes. And as you can see, I'm sporting mine, okay? So look, ladies, let me give you a little piece of advice, okay? Come on. You know, look at this. I am definitely out of shape, and I definitely am getting my training because I need to lose the stomach, okay? Yes, I'm a diabetic. You all didn't know that, but I'm letting you know I'm a diabetic. And you know, when you're diabetic, somehow or another, you end up with a fat stomach. But I'm not gonna let that hold me back. I'm not gonna use that as an excuse. I'm getting in the gym, and I'm gonna start my workout next week on Monday. Would you please follow me? Come on, give Darius a call. You know, tell him that you need to lose your stomach because let's face it, the summer's coming. You're gonna want to get in a bikini, and how you gonna do it? And you guys, yeah, you got a stomach too. And don't try to act like you don't, because you put your pants all the way down underneath your stomach, and you seem to think that you didn't gain any weight, but you did. Take a look, take a look. Okay, it's worth it. You don't want to end up with all kind of physical problems and everything because you just simply didn't want to put the work in. Come on, you can do this. You really can do this. And I got a little news flash for everybody. Okay, so you're walking around with an attitude like you all that in a bag of chips? Well, come on, let's face it. You was very attractive years ago, and when you got your mate and everything, you know, you was looking good. And now you put on all the weight and all that. Come on, let's bring the spice of life back into the relationship, you know, and show him and show yourself that you're gonna actually do something about the situation, because after all, you're worth it. You are worth it. So one up yourself, okay? Go on over to One Up Athletics. That's with an S on the end. Get your gear, okay? And remember, we're gonna all meet at the same time. We're gonna get in shape, okay? All right, and remember, this is Grandma Ray Don't Play. I'm Rachel, and I'm here promoting One Up Athletics. Go on over there and check out what they have, okay? Love you. Bye.